Okay, in this lesson, right, I'm going to share about basic algebra and algebra manipulation for Sec 1 or Year 1 IP Max. Okay, for Sec 1 Express Max or Year 1 IP Max. So you have learned in your P6 very simple algebra. So secondary school is going to build on what you have learned. So let me just quickly go through some example, probably some basic fundamental stuff. Okay, very elementary stuff first. So x plus x equal to
2x.
2x. Simple, right? X multiplied by x equal to x multiplied by x equal to
Bracket 2x.
no. X plus x is 2x. So x multiplied by
x times x.
X times x equal to this one you're not sure, I let you know. X squared, x power 2.
Yeah.
Can remember?
Yeah.
Okay, plus by right have a minus now. Okay, let's do the minus. 2x minus x is what?
X.
Okay, this is simple. 3x divided by 3 is
X.
x. Okay, so add, minus, multiply, divide. I guess no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, these are very simple stuff. Okay, now I'm going to give you an example. Okay, given that x equal to 3 and y equal to -5, okay, evaluate each of the following. Okay, evaluate each of the following. So your A would be, okay, 2x minus 3y. Your B would be 4y over 3x, let's say. So what should you do? 2x minus 3y, what should you do?
6 minus negative.
Okay, 2x minus 3y, this is how you should do in the exam. Okay, 2x minus 3y. Understand?
Yeah.
You should write like this in exam.
Okay.
2 times 3, 6. Minus minus is plus. 3 times 5, 15. Okay? 15 plus 6, 21. This is how you should do in the exam. 4y over 3x. 4y over 3x. Okay? Okay, in exam, this is how you should do. Any question?
No.
No. Okay. I have more challenging question to show you. Okay. How about finding okay, this one. What must you do? There are a few ways, huh?
5 bracket 3
Okay.
over 2 bracket -5 minus 3 bracket -5 over 2 bracket -3. I mean 3.
Okay. 15 over -10 minus 15 over 6. Minus minus is plus, right? Okay, minus is plus, right?
Minus, yeah.
Okay, minus is plus, so I write like that. Okay, 15 times 5. Side 1 can use calculator. I don't think you got paper, you cannot use calculator. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, this is using substitution to do. Another way is purely algebra to do. Okay, this using purely algebra. 2y, 2x. Okay, let's change it to 2xy. Okay, 2xy. 5x squared minus 3y squared. Oh, like that. Purely algebra also cannot because you have two unknowns. Okay, it's fine. X squared is 9. Y squared is 25. Okay, you still get the same answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Any question? No. Yes, no.
No.
If yes, I can undo and explain again. No.
No.
No, I move on. Okay. There's another question. Find the value of x squared plus 5y squared when x equal to -1/3 and y equal to -3. Okay. So you know what to do? Your x is -1/3, right?
So -1/3 times -1/3.
Yep. Okay, you see what I'm doing? I'm doing direct substitution, right? X squared plus 5y squared. Okay, negative times negative is positive. Okay, -3 times -3 is +3. Okay, this is the answer. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
no need to take picture.
It's
I
just like
record.
it's
I
just
I'm recording this video. I'm going to upload in YouTube. You can always refer to it as and when you want to refer to it.
okay.
Okay, linear expression. Addition and subtraction of linear terms. You know what's linear expression, right?
Small.
Example. Okay, this is a linear expression. Linear. Okay. This is not a linear expression. Understand, no?
Yeah.
Likewise, this is not a linear expression. So
Linear
linear
expression only have like plus and minus, simple one.
no, you observe you observe what's the difference. I purposely write 2 and 3. The difference is this one. Linear, non-linear. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, you observe, you know what I mean already, linear, non-linear. Of course, 2x minus 3 also linear. So it's not a plus or minus. It is the square or square root. Involving square root, cube root, square, cube, these are all non-linear. Okay, linear means the variable doesn't have funny indices. You know what's indices, right? Indices is the term here. Like x square is an indices, right?
Index.
Indexes
Index notation.
is index, but plural is called indices.
Okay.
Singular, plural. English, okay, plural. Okay, plural. P-U-R-A-L, plural. Singular, plural. Index, indices. Okay, now I have another question. Simplify the expression. Okay, simplify the expression. Okay, you know how to simplify?
Hmm.
Plus minus is minus. Minus minus is plus. Understand?
Yeah.
Minus 7, minus 2, minus 9. Minus 3, plus 2, minus 1. Okay, simplify. Okay,
Yeah.
you need more example.
Mm.
I can show you more example if you need more example. You want more example?
Okay.
Okay, simplify it. Okay, simplify. 6p minus minus is, this will become what?
Plus.
Okay, minus 2b plus a, plus minus is minus
Minus.
6p, don't have p, right? So 6p status quo. 7 plus 4, 11. Minus 2b, minus 9b, minus 11b, plus a. No? Simplify, Simon. Any question?
No.
No. These are all very easy stuff. Okay, I'm going to give you problem sum. See if you can do them. Peter bought uh, 8 toy cars at X dollars each. And 5 toy cars are, and 5 balls at K dollars each. Okay, he had 2x plus 7k dollars left. Find the amount of money he had at first. Okay, how to do? You tell me what's the strategy. You want to spend 3 minutes thinking how to
No.
do? You without
8x plus 2x.
okay, we do step by step. Okay, cost of 8 toy cars.
8x.
How much? 5 balls?
5k.
Total spend?
8x plus 5k.
Very good. Okay, this total left, right? Okay, amount he had at first. Can work that out now, right? So how to find?
8x.
Show working.
8x plus 2x plus 7k plus 5k.
Okay, 8x plus 5k, spend plus original. I mean, spend plus left. Amount spent plus amount left.
10x plus 12k.
10x plus 12k. Simplify all. Okay, see if you want to factorize out the 2. Simple, right?
No.
Huh? Not simple. Is this simple? No, you understand
Wait,
what's going?
is what you write the 2 times blah blah blah. Can like square?
No square. What? Why is there square?
Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never
You
mind.
cannot square.
Yeah,
Square
yeah,
is
yeah.
not
Cannot.
multiplied by 2.
Yeah, cannot.
Square is multiplied by itself.
Yeah.
That's a conceptual misunderstanding.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to teach you distributive law. Do you have time to do 2 exercises this week?
No, cause got WA1.
I thought over already.
No, I got a lot of subject. Like I only do 2 WA1 only. Next week I have a lot.
2 WA1. So this week no more WA, right?
No.
Now this week no WA, can do more.
Okay. I mean tomorrow I have a WA.
Tomorrow you have a WA.
Yeah.
For what subject? Science?
English.
English. How to prepare?
Like need to write a letter thing.
Write a letter. You remember those format, right?
Yeah.
Formal letter, informal letter. Remember, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to teach you distributive law. Okay, this is distributive law. X multiplied by P plus K. I can expand this. Okay, either way. Okay, expansion now. If it's negative, right? Okay, understand now? If it's negative, right?
Yeah.
Is this too abstract? You understand what I'm doing here? The expansion?
Yes.
Okay, minus, this minus. The
Wait,
sign here is what?
why the A minus B equals B minus A?
Negative.
Okay.
Negative.
For the first one, is it because minus plus minus equals plus?
Okay, here is plus, right?
Yeah.
No sign means plus. Minus plus minus. Minus plus minus. Understand? Okay,
No.
minus plus is minus what?
Minus plus is my.
Negative and
Yeah.
positive is negative what?
Yeah.
Negative times positive is negative. Okay. Negative times, is this positive or negative?
Positive.
Negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive. Understand?
Yeah.
B is positive.
Mm.
So you know distribution law already. You know distributive law already. Okay,
Yeah.
so if you have 7 bracket x minus 4. That will be equal to you expand equal to what?
7 times, with 7 bracket,
X minus 4, you expand, that will become,
x minus 4 is
you expand, that will become what? You tell me the answer.
positive, wait, x.
You tell me the
X.
answer because I need to verify you understand. I need to make sure you understand.
Is it cannot expand? Is it the same?
No, you can expand. Then you don't understand what I was showing earlier.
Yeah.
Then you say you understand.
No, like I don't
times
get
x
how
minus
to
b.
expand.
Ax minus ab.
Huh? Minus.
Okay, this and this same thing. What?
So it's
Your
7x. 7x minus 4.
Not 74. AB is a times b. What?
Yeah.
Ax is a times x. Not 74. Minus 7 multiplied by 4. AB is a times b. Understand? You see the correlation?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm going to test you. Make sure you really know.
Okay.
Okay, minus 3, 2x minus y. You expand, tell me what's the answer?
Yeah. Minus 3.
You expand?
Minus 3 plus 2x.
Wrong.
I know the ending one is 3 times y.
Yeah.
The starting one is
Minus 6x plus 3y.
oh
3 times 2 is 6. What?
yeah.
Minus times positive is minus 1. And the x still around more. 3 times y is 3y, right? Negative times negative is positive. Okay, have to do a few more questions. I'll do until you can tell me the answer.
Okay.
Okay, you do. So one is
5 minus a plus. Wait, is it 12
no 12.
e is
Okay, ask
is
you a
it
question.
5 times 7 or 5 plus 7?
I use a question. This thing in the bracket, right? Are they multiplying by a only? Or they are
No,
multiplying by this whole thing?
the whole thing.
Okay, this thing in the bracket, right? They are only multiplying by a. if they are multiplying by the whole thing, the question will be like that. But the question is not like that. The question is like that. So this thing in the bracket, they are multiplying by a minus a, or they are multiplying by 5 minus a.
A.
They are multiplying by negative a.
Negative a.
So nothing is multiplying by 5, right? So 5 is still alive. 5 is still 5.
So the first, yeah. Oh.
So this one you expand out become
7x a.
Positive or negative?
Or positive. Plus negative a plus
Negative and positive is
negative.
negative. Then negative what?
AK.
AK. Okay. You have to do a lot of questions.
It's so confusing.
It's not confusing because you are not doing enough questions. The easy one first. This one is equal to
2x plus
2x plus. You sure?
is it minus
Minus how many?
10?
And why minus?
Because it's negative. Negative plus positive is negative.
Not plus, positive. Times
Times.
positive. Positive times negative. Positive multiplied by negative is negative. Okay, another question. Okay, this one equal to
Negative 6x plus 6y.
3 times 3 is 9.
Oh, okay.
Times, times, not plus. You have to do at least 1 million such questions. I'm not joking. Before you sit for your O-level. Before you sit for O-level. 1 million question means 1 year, 250,000 question. 250 algebra question. 250,000 divided by 12. 1 month, you got to do 20,000. 20,000 divided by 4. 1 week, you got to do 5,000 questions. So divide by 7. 1 day, you got to do 700 questions. 1 day do 700 questions. Okay lah. 1 day do 50 questions will do lah. Okay. 9 minus k minus x plus 2p.
Okay, it's 9 plus kx minus 2pk.
Yes. You seems to have got it. Can I give you harder question?
Oh, no. Huh?
Okay, simplify.
Okay, negative 2x minus 6y plus negative 2x
Not plus, negative 2x.
plus 2y.
What's the final answer?
4x.
No. Not 4x.
Oh, negative 4x minus 4y.
So you can simplify further. You factorize out negative 4. Understand, no? You understand why the sign changed to plus,
Yeah.
Because if I expand this, I'll get back this. Okay? Okay, I got other question. Okay, simplify.
7y minus 6x.
If I'll you, I won't expand this first. I'll expand this one first.
Okay. Minus 2y minus 4x. Negative y.
Negative y.
No, 7y minus 6x.
Okay, same thing. I'm not going to expand. I'll simplify the bracket first.
Wait, right? Is it 2y minus 4x close bracket?
Okay, 3x minus 4x is how many?
3x minus 4x is negative 1x.
Negative x. Negative
Yeah.
2y.
Then 7y minus, I mean plus 2x plus 4y
Yes.
equals 11y plus 2x.
Yes. Okay. You simplify lah. It's like that. Is it easy? Easy, right?
But I need to do carefully.
Yes. You are right. Need to do carefully.
One small mistake, you wrong already.
Yes. I'll give you one more, last one. Okay.
Um, 5 48x plus 6y plus 3x minus 3y. 51x plus 3y.
Yes. 51 divided by 3, 17. Okay? You can simplify it like that. But in exam, you write like that, okay. You want to impress your marker, you write like that.
But what if I convert wrongly, then the whole
Then
thing
too bad. Factorize.
Factorize. By factorization.
Okay, factorize all. Okay, this is called factorize. Earlier on, it's expanding. Now it's factorized. Now it's the other way. Earlier on, I give you this, you can expand, give me this, right?
Oh, now it's making smaller.
Now it's work backwards. Earlier on, I give you this, you can give me this, right? Now I give you this, you have to give me this. Now it's the other way, factorize. So how do I know it's like that? You ask yourself, 8 and 12, common factor is 4. HCF is 4. So you take out 4. If I take out 4, 8 divided by 4 is 2x. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay?
Okay.
Minus 28 ax plus 7 ay. Factorize.
Seven. Was it -7?
Okay, you can take out -7.
Bracket
7a.
bracket
Both have a.
4x.
Both have a.
Bracket 4x. Plus 7y.
7 times what give you this?
7 times 1. So it's 1y.
It's just y only. Plus or minus?
Plus.
It's minus. Minus times minus is plus. Negative times negative is positive. So you take out, you -7a, you take out from here must be minus. You must do a lot of questions until it's at my fingertips. You certainly do like breathing like that, as easy as breathing. Because I've been doing this for how many years? 30 years. I've been doing Comex for 30 years. Since secondary 1, Yeah, about 30 years.
Oh.
Factorize.
-5.
Only 5, eh?
B.
You sure only 5?
B. -5b. Then
Open bracket.
open bracket 6 minus 3y
Good.
plus 2k.
Very good.
Need to do carefully.
Yes. I think easy. You take out B, right? Left with K, what? 10 divided by 5 is 2. Negative sign, right? I did take out my negative sign, what? So must be positive. Understand?
Yes.
There's a shortcut one. There's a shortcut one. 15, right? Positive 15, huh? I take out negative 5. Then must be negative 3. Because negative 5 times negative 3 give me
It's
positive 15.
positive 15.
That's how I know it's negative 3.
That's a shortcut.
Okay, how come there's a Y? Because I take out my B, what? Left with Y. Shortcut lah. Understand?
Yep.
I take out my B, no more B. I took out 5, so the quantity must be 6 lah. Because 30 divided by 5 is 6. Then the sign, right? I want to have a negative, right? So this must be positive. Because negative times positive give me negative. You work in this way lah. I took out, so don't have anymore. Factorize. Okay? Okay,
Yep.
Okay, then another one more. Oh, understand now? Sign also can take out. I take out negative sign. Yeah, I took out negative sign.
Or instead of number can be sign also.
You also can take out sign. You can take out negative sign. Then since negative sign you took out, right? Inside the bracket it's all positive. Okay? That concept.
Oh no.
Okay, factorize.
-3. Wait, -3.
Yes.
Then positive. Wait, no sign. 3x plus 5.
Yes. Okay. Factorize. This K out.
-3. No, -3a plus.
What's
Wait,
inside here?
no. That is 6k.
1.
1 you're right.
Of course.
But times 1 is no difference.
No.
What?
Minus 3a times 1 is minus 3a.
Okay.
You need to put a 1.
Okay, 1 plus 6. Okay. Plus 2y.
Yes. Okay, you need to have a 1 now. 6k plus 2y is not the same as 6k plus 2y plus 1, right?
Mm.
So you need to put a 1.
Okay.
Okay. No question, huh?
No.
Okay. Very hard question.
Ah. Oh, you want me to do both?
Wait, I'm thinking. I'm changing the question actually. Wait.
Okay.
My status quo, I see what happened. Okay. Simply factorize.
Oh no. Okay, do the bracket one first. So you write the whole thing down first, like the bracket negative 3xy square minus 9xy, then close bracket. Then is a my huh?
I multiply in.
So simple. Oh, never mind. Yep. Okay.
I haven't finished. I'm waiting for your input.
Wait. 2a times y. So
It's slow already. You have to do faster.
yeah, I thinking.
No need to think. No need to think, just do only. Minus plus is minus 2ay. Minus minus is plus, so 2a.
Okay. Then we're equal
Yeah.
minus 3. Like, why you do so fast?
You do too slow already. No, I do
How you do
fast.
so fast?
You have to do faster. Exam don't have so much time that you do so slow. Then here,
5a. Wait, no. 7a minus 2. 7a.
okay, wait. One shortcut is this. AY and AY. CAY as Chihuahua. 3 Chihuahua minus 2 Chihuahua. How many Chihuahua?
1 chihuahua.
So 1 Chihuahua. Okay. Two Jaguar plus another 2 Jaguar. How many Jaguar?
4 jaguar.
4 Jaguar. Easy, right?
Yeah.
You see from this angle. By the way, your AY and your A cannot add together because different. One is AY, one is A.
Okay.
This one is not 5AY. No. Then
Okay,
after
then equal minus 3 bracket 1.
minus 3xy.
So bracket, then 1.
Y, not 1.
Oh yeah, y2, y square.
How could it be y square? You here got y square. I multiply in there, I got y square. I'm factorizing out more.
Then plus 3y.
3 plus 3. Plus 3 only. This one thing to take out your A. Correct, no? Do you understand what I'm doing? Or you have no clue what's going on?
I have no clue what's going on.
Which part you don't understand? You
The
better sort
part-
out your
the
doubts
part-
now.
The part where it says minus 3xy, then bracket y plus 3.
This part you don't understand now. Minus 3xy times y is negative 3xy square.
Negative 3xy square.
I multiply in, I get back this, right? This whole part here is this part.
Okay.
Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9.
Wait, then can the y be x also? Like, can it switch?
Huh? The
Like,
y is always
over
y.
there is y plus 3, right? Can write x plus 3? Cannot.
Cannot. Cannot. I cannot write x plus 3 here because it's not x square, it's y square.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I saw it as xy square. I forgot that it's x times y square.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now I get it.
The square here only applies to y. The square doesn't apply to the x. Got it?
Yeah, now
if it apply to the x, you will have this bracket.
Yeah.
This means x square, y square. This means x. This means this. You see the difference?
Yeah.
Make sure you thoroughly understand. Here, okay, the rest okay. Understand, confirm.
Yeah.
You have to do the question in the book already. Make sure you can do it.
I'm dead.
Algebra is
So many.
Do you know how important is algebra?
Do
you know how important is your algebra?
Very important.
But how important?
Very important because you can use it for every question.
Okay, you are going to deal with algebra, all right? From now onwards, all the way until the day you graduate. Until the day you graduate with a university degree. Wow. That's how important algebra is. If you are reading engineering, if university you're going to read engineering, or maths related course in uni, right? You're going to deal with algebra all the way until the day you graduate with a degree. That is how important algebra is. Okay? Okay? If I just say important, very important, you don't get how important it is. Okay? So if I describe until like that, you know how important it is, right? You have an idea how important is algebra, right? Yeah. If I describe until like that, all the way until the day you graduate with a degree. And even after you go to work, depends on what you are doing, you might still need algebra. It depends on what you do after you get a degree.
Which job need algebra?
I was an engineer before, and I need algebra to some extent. Yeah, I was a technical support engineer. I need to calculate certain things, and I need algebra. So now
And you do the calculations mentally.
no, use calculator, but I need algebra. And now obviously I still need algebra because I'm teaching maths.
Yeah.
So if you want to be a scientist, researcher, you think you need algebra?
Of course, got all the formula.
Yes. If you want to be an accountant, you need algebra.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't know lah.
I
only know the
still,
count number only.
I think you still need algebra.
Oh.
You think accountant just do 1 + 1?
Yeah.
Or
I
10
thought you
minus
just
10?
plus minus divide times.
You think so easy, accountant?
Yeah.
It's so easy why people need to study 3 years to get their accounting degree, or 4 years.
Because they deal with a lot of money.
Because the calculation not so easy. Debit and credit. I don't think so straightforward. If it's so straightforward, then
there is the cashier, right?
then any Tom, Dick, Harry can be accountant, right?
Yeah.
So long you know how to count. Cannot be, right?
If you only know how to count, then go cashier, right?
That's just like engineering, same thing. Not every Tom, Dick, Harry can be engineer. Correct or not? You need to go through some training, right?
Yeah.
And all the training needs algebra. So what degree you want to pursue when you go uni?
Don't know.
Don't know. If you don't know, make sure you know algebra very well.
Okay.
If you don't know what degree you want to pursue, right? Make sure you know your algebra very well. You know why?
Why?
So that you have a choice. If your algebra are super good, right? You can choose to be engineer or choose a degree course that doesn't need algebra, right?
Yeah.
But if your algebra sucks, you don't have a lot of choices, right? At least half the choices is gone. Correct or not?
Yeah.
And I think I don't think you want to limit your choices, right? In uni. You want to choose, a wide spectrum of courses, right?
Yeah.
And in order to be in that situation, you need to do very well for what? For which exam? In order to be in a situation where you get to choose any uni course you want to do, right? You need to do very well for your A-levels.
JC?
Yes, your A-levels. And in order to do very well for A-levels, you need to do very well for your
O-level.
O-levels. If your O-levels didn't even meet the mark to get into JC, right? Then no need to take A-levels already.
Yeah.
Then go poly. But go poly, still got chance to go uni. But you must do very well in your poly. So if you want to do very well in your poly, then do you think you need to do well in your maths, your algebra?
No.
No. Depends on what course you're reading in poly. Same thing, depends on what course you're reading in poly. Okay.
Okay.
But whatever course you choose to read in poly, right, it depends on your on your
O
what?
level.
Depends on your O-level results. O-level can don't do max or not?
I think cannot.
Cannot, right?
Yeah. Only can do
Minimum,
extra math.
minimum you have an E-max.
Yeah.
I mean, you can drop your A-max, but minimum you need to do your E-max, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if you drop your A-max, you know what's going to happen?
Cannot go to like cannot get degree of like math drop, like drop that need math.
Okay, if you drop your A-max, right, what's going to happen is you are going to have a tough time reading max in JC and in poly. Not to
Cause
say you're
cause when you have A math is extra math, right?
additional max. The word
Yeah.
additional already tell you is add-on, right?
Mm.
Additional max. But additional max is very important.
Mm.
If you don't take additional max, right, chances are you won't be able to understand your H2 max in JC.
What's H2?
JC, A-level max.
Mm.
Because your A-level max, H2 max is built on what you learn in your A-max.
Mm.
Not built on what you learn your E-max,
Mm.
Imagine if you don't,
E-maths is for secondary school only, right?
A-max also for secondary school.
But A-maths is the basic of H2.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But A-max, right? A-max, they give you Sec 3, Sec 4, right? A-max is usually for those people who did better in their max in Sec 2.
Mm.
So if your Sec 2 max stuff up, that means your algebra cannot make it. So if your algebra cannot make it in Sec 1, Sec 2, right, it's going to affect your Sec 2 max result, right?
Yeah.
So if your Sec 2 max result is very bad, right, chances are your school will not give you A max in Sec 3.
Mm.
So if you don't take A max for your O level, you are going to have a hard time to read max related subjects in JC and in poly.
Mm.
Because your JC and poly max, right, is built upon your A max.
Yeah, the basics, right?
Especially for engineering.
Mm.
Because I did engineering diploma in poly.
Mm.
So I can tell you the engineering max is a little bit harder than your A max. But because I did my A max in secondary school and I did very well for my A max, that's why I'm able to get distinction in my engineering max in poly.
Mm.
Distinction is not A1. Distinction is
90.
top. Distinction is top 5% in poly.
Oh.
My engineering max in poly is top 5%.
Wow.
Mainly because of my A max in secondary school.
Mm.
And my A max in secondary school is not just A1. My A1 is above 90, that kind of A1.
Yeah.
Not 75, that kind of mediocre A1,
Mm.
Yeah. So max is very important. Your algebra is very important. Your algebra, your mastery of algebra is very important.
Mm.
Your mastery of algebra, right, is directly proportional to the grade you're going to get for your O level, A max, and E max.
Mm.
I let you know first. So make sure you know algebra so well. Okay, if you know your algebra is not good, you have to make it good.
Okay.
So how to make it good?
Do these type of
You,
questions.
you have to understand, you have to understand how to do. You have to understand how to do. Once you understand how to do, right, the next step is to do as many questions as you can.
Okay.
Okay? And for my student, I always give a lot of homework on, especially for algebra, because you really need to practice a lot of questions in order to be very good in it. Just by playing computer game, how can you be good in playing computer game by playing every day?
Not
Correct or
really.
not? Correct or not?
No.
No man, practice makes perfect one.
Not play every day.
Yeah lah, play frequently lah.
Like every 2 days playing.
Cannot lah, every 2 days play, you won't be good. You must
Then
play
how am
every
I
day.
good?
So your max you must do every day lah.
Okay.
But have to practice lah, algebra. Cannot run away from practice. Okay, if you're ready, you do your exercises question already. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording. No more question to ask, right?
No.
Okay.